Hey, what is up everyone? So today we have to do a couple things. Well, just one thing. I already capped off most of the vacuum lines that I had here, and one of the things I'm going to do is delete this EGR valve because I'm going to start cleaning up all this engine bay, make it look nicer, a little bit more presentable, and maybe clean out some of these things down the road. But for now, my only concern is doing this guy, just because, interesting. Maybe this guy should stay there, but I don't know where it pulls vacuum from, and I need some vacuum ones for all this. I might just remove it and cap off everything else, because I capped off one down here. There's another line right here that I have no clue to. This one was also open. I capped this off because this plugs to nothing. That plugs into here, and that's for your EGR. Apparently there's another vacuum port somewhere in here. But yeah, so far right now, I have cleaned up most of the messes that this car has that I don't like. But so far, let's start by deleting this. We'll probably end up removing these bolts here in a little bit. And this guy is a gasket material that was on here, but you can see under there's two bolts. There's just one bolt there and the other one there, so it should be pretty fast. Let's see. Okay, now I should have probably used WD-40 on these. Okay, so one of the things I was able to do was find another bolt that almost fits it, but unfortunately because it doesn't fit, I kind of cross-threaded it there, but it seems like it will work to what I need it to do. So I can just keep pulling this out. Is to put the new plate, which goes on here like this. This plate, if I can put it on right, it goes on here like that. Put this on and flush everything out. Okay, that's on tight. Tight and tight. Okay. Off and sealed off. Kind of take off all the other unnecessary things we don't need. So I'm not gonna bother with the Phillips head because I'm pretty sure if it's anything like this, they're gonna strip. Well, the other one is like that, so. Oh, I went bolted down there, right? Okay. Huh. So basically that little hole right there, I'm probably gonna have to end up pulling it out, finding out what the screw size is, and getting something for that. This is also a 10 or a 12 millimeter. It looks like it's a 12 millimeter. I should have done this when that plate was off, but I didn't know. I just never knew. And okay, well, I tried, and eventually all that ended up happening was that I snapped it right off. So either I'm going to have to just live with this and cap it off somehow, or try again later. I don't know, but that piece is on here for now. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it capped off with this little rubber hose here. It barely just holds it in place. I don't care. That can stay like that for now. It's not gonna ruin any kind of vacuum since these two are very different from here. This is just more like a mount. I don't have to worry about it. If I run headers, I can just remove the bottom piece down here and it would have nothing there. Or I can just have someone weld it up. Maybe I'll JB weld it. But that's about it for today. Hopefully you guys did like it. Remember, use WD-40 on these, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.